Want to free up storage on your Android phone? Here's how to clear your cache, step by step. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and select Apps. Choose any app you want to clear cache for. It's best to start with apps you don't use very often. Once you select the app, tap Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary data without deleting any personal information. Repeat this for any other apps you want to clean up. If you're using a Samsung device, you can also use Device Care. Open Settings, select Device Care, tap Memory, and then tap Clean Now. This stops background apps and frees up space automatically. And that's it. Your cache is cleared, and your phone should run smoother. If this helped, tap like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Android tips.